So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chisel out. There's a line of epoxy that goes all the way around on the outside. I'm going to chisel it out, so to speak, and then going to re-epoxy it from the outside, because as you can see, a fair bit of that mold is probably from the window. I get that. There's a fair bit going on, you know, for the future. I'm doing the outside first, but then I'll do the inside. But as you can see, there's some cracking there, and it's where the top of the deck, basically the coach roof, connects to the deck. And stage one is keeping water out, and so we're going to rotary tool out a nice big groove, and then we're going to put it in a nice fillet of 2-part epoxy. If I can give you 2 bits of advice, it's read the instructions and be as prepared as you can. Six might be enough. That was 5. 5 might be enough, or it might not be. When you're making thickened epoxy, always use the respirator. This stuff is pretty deadly. Alright, we'll make it pretty runny this time. I found a ice cream container to be pretty good, especially with a flat surface like this stirrer, because you can actually push the powder up against the side. And that seems to me to be the only way that you can really squash it in. So I mix in the powder first, and then I'll add in the part B, the hardener, after I've mixed it in. That way I just give myself as much curing time as I can. And when I put it into a plugging bag like that, it's kind of like a large body of it. If it's thin, it'll take way longer to harden. But if it's in just a big volume of it, it seems to generate a lot more heat. And it can go off really quick, quicker than I want. Alright, so equal parts, as in equal squares. Okay, 5 big, 5 little. Just going to mix that in. The instructions say mix down the sides as well. You don't want any parts that are unmixed, because that part won't cure. And I've had to dig uncured epoxy out before, and it's not as much fun as it sounds. Alright. Alright, that will do. That's what I mean about a large volume. If it was flat in the bottom, take forever to cure. This is quite a large volume and it will generate heat.